Hi guys, this is a review of my dirt bike. We'll start off with the front. It has a really nice front fender. I put on that Fox sticker. Red plastic, pretty heavy duty plastic. And then we have some 16-inch wheels with probably the best shocks you could ever buy, especially for a razor dirt bike. Some nice disc brakes right here. They have a very big airspace, so the motor doesn't get too hot. It's kind of hard to get. We have a strong sticker that I put on, another Fox symbol, and then a Hurley. And then right here is a DC sticker I got in a little crash, and then it got scuffed up. Here's the motor part. There's the back wheel, really good brakes. As you can see, I'm trying to get a good view. Some foot pedals. They transition up and down. Pretty good. But sometimes they get really stuck like that. I have to really push. But other than that, they have like a 1.5 inch diameter kickstand. Works pretty good with a really big spring right there. They have a very nice back. It's pretty dirty. They have a metal steel support for the plastic seat. And speaking of the seat, I'm very impressed. This cushion is so comfortable. Like, I could literally sleep on it all day long. As usual, they have like the fake gas cap. I don't know why I put that flyer scoots in there. It's a waste. I'm actually just going to take that off later in the video. Makes no sense. There's the brakes. Here's the throttle. If that cylinder is green, that means it's fully charged. If this is full, if that's green, you're good, and there's low. Now, if it's fully charged, it won't say low. So, it has an easy twist throttle. So it goes about 2 inches far. Comfortable. Sometimes gives me blisters. Here is the on and off switch. And the charging port. I would say this all cost about at least $400, I'd have to say. The maximum weight limit is 175, and it can hold up to about 150 pounds. And this is the sx500 McGrath version, 2015. Like and subscribe. Bye.